Okay, I've been working like 3 jobs. Probably why I never see ya. Probably why I never have time for the fake friends that won't be ya. Oh God, I've been running now. Up early when the sun is out. Not setting out my own soul, but those real ones, they coming out.
Hello， 大家好，又係我 Nelson 啊。對你嚟講，點先為之一個好嘅座位咧？究竟佢係夠輕啊、夠型啊、夠好睇？但係喺我嘅角度睇，一個好嘅座位咧，最緊要就係坐得舒服。咁冇錯，今日就為大家介紹新嘅 Caddx 座位。咁呢個新嘅 Caddx 座位咧，就係叫 AMP 啊。咁咧，首先介紹佢之前咧，咁其實 Michael Matthews 咧喺呢個賽季嘅年初咧，一直都喺度偷偷咁樣使用緊佢啦。喺比賽裏邊咧，已經不斷咁測試佢嘅。佢喺環爾咧呢個第3站嘅時候咧，就喺呢個上車衝線嘅時候，就係踩住佢贏得呢場單站嘅冠軍嘅。佢自己都有講咧，佢就非常之舒服，亦都非常之適合佢啦。咁所以呢個都成為咗佢今個年度賽季咧主要用嘅座位啦。
My Caddx AMP saddle is perfect for me. We've got the long front here, we've got the gap in the middle, and we've got the wide back for extra support. It doesn't dip in the middle, really stiff, but still comfortable at the same time. And obviously with all the carbon fiber and not so much material, it's really light. So for me, perfect saddle. 呢個側面咧可以睇到佢喺呢個座位嘅後半部分咧一個後彎上升嘅一個設計啦。咁大家可以睇到中間咧，其實佢採用咗一個人體工學中央減壓嘅一個設計咧，係相比起實心即係中間有嘢嘅座位咧，對呢個 soft tissue 軟組織啊或者敏感部位咧形成嘅壓力咧就會大大咁減少嘅。咁大家踩落嘅時候咧就會更加之舒服同埋更加之通風嘅。第二個特點咧。咁唔知大家有冇試過咧？有時踩咧，或者係其他座位咧，個大髀嘅內側咧成日刮到個座位啊！咁 Caddx 咧就係了解到一般嘅座位有呢啲問題之後咧，佢哋喺呢個座位嘅側翼咧嘅設計方面咧做咗少少嘅心思嘅，圓弧形嘅一個設計啦，然後係向下彎嘅一個設計。咁呢個設計咧踩嘅時候咧減少翻呢個大髀內側座位摩擦嘅一個機會。換句話講就係會提升翻呢個效能同埋舒適度咯。咁啊講完 AMP 呢個座位嘅外觀設計啊，而家咧就講下物料啦。咁佢呢個底板同埋呢個座軌咧都係用咗 SMC Carbon 嘅，咁就係一個全碳纖維嘅一個路軌同埋底板啦。咁主要嘅目的就係佢嘅硬度就會提高啦，個重量咧都會更加之輕嘅。咁佢嘅路軌嘅設計咧係直接去到座位嘅尾部嘅，主要目的咧其實就係提高呢個踩嘅時候嘅舒適感，同埋做到一個減震嘅效果。佢係遠遠咁避開咗咧坐骨主要接觸嘅點啦，同埋佢壓力點啦。咁可能就係呢啲嘅部位啦。咁大家試諗下喎，如果呢個路軌咧係擺喺呢個位置咧，坐骨成日受壓嘅位置咧，咁踩嘅時候嘅所有嘅震動咁都會直接傳送俾呢個車手嘅。咁咧就會令到個車手咧就好唔舒服啦。咁呢個新嘅座位咧喺呢個面層同埋喺呢個底板嘅中間咧，其實有一個叫 particle flow 嘅一啲 padding 喺入邊。咁其實係一個好高彈力、好高回彈力嘅一個膠粒喺入邊啦。咁啊充滿晒喺呢個座位上邊嘅。佢會根據車手坐嘅重量啦，同埋佢坐嘅壓力咧去喐嘅。咁佢主要嘅目的咧就係你車手坐落去嘅時候咧，佢會根據你嘅股型同埋你嘅重量或者所產生嘅壓力咧。去喐，去釋放翻嗰種壓力嘅，咁主要都係為咗提升呢個踩嘅時候咧嘅舒適度。咁講咗咁耐啦，咁呢個新嘅 AMP 座位咧，配上呢個全碳嘅路軌同埋全碳嘅底板咧，咁咧就非常之輕啦，個重量咧淨係129 gram 嘅啫。咁啊喺呢個包裝後邊咧，你會見到一個 The Pursuit of Pinnacle Products。咁呢個嘅意思咧，其實就係 Caddx 對頂尖產品嘅一個追求啊。所有研發嘅產品咧，都係為咗做最頂尖、最頂級嘅產品呢個方向而進發嘅。咁啊總結一下啦，點為之一個好嘅座位，夠輕、夠型、夠好睇，當然仲要夠舒適啦。咁而新嘅 Caddx 座位 AMP 咧就集合晒呢幾點啦。咁啊呢條片嚟到呢度啦，咁記住 like、subscribe 同 comment。咁我係 Nelson，我哋下條片再見啦，拜拜。